it's starting to do the thing. Now I feel like what is good, you guys? Hlu Lanie, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Hlu Lanie, and if it is your first time joining us, please do hit the subscribe button and also do click the notification bell so that you do get notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay, so today's video is a bit different. Today we are tinting our eyebrows. Yes, we are tinting our eyebrows. This will be my very first time tinting my eyebrows. I've never done this, so I have here with me this kit over here. Okay, focus. Yes, I have this kit. It is the Eylure London Dybrow Permanent Tint for brows, and it is in the color black. I'm not sure how color black is going to look because I've never done my eyebrows black. I always do brown eyebrows, never black. I never go to black, so I don't know how it's going to feel, but I took the color black because it was the only color that was left, and I really wanted to tint my brows. It says here it lasts up to 6 weeks. We are unboxing. Okay, so you open it this side. I'm just going to open like that, and then inside, so this is how it looks. We have a spoolie. We have a spoolie just like that. Yeah, just spoolie, just, you know, maybe use this to apply. I don't know, I have no idea. And then here we have the Eylure London color cream. So this is the first step of everything. Then we have the Eylure London activator. Focus. Yes, this is it. Yeah, you can see this is the activator. And then we have this, and then we have the instruction booklet, instructions and care leaflet. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to read the instructions and then we're going to start. I don't know. Okay, sensitivity test to be performed before each application. Mix 1 centimeter of dye cream. I'm reading, guys. Mix 1 centimeter of
dye cream with 3 drops of activating solution, and then apply a small amount to a small area on the inner bend of the elbow or behind the ear. Allow to dry and leave uncovered 48 to 72 hours.
Guys, I want to do this now. I don't think I will do the sensitivity test. If I'm sensitive, Sizoborna, guys.
If no irritation or rash occurs during this time, the chance of a reaction during treatment is very much less, but is never certain, right? If any sign of irritation or rash occurs, wash the area thoroughly and do not carry out the treatment, and stop using this product immediately, right? So we're just going to leave out the sensitivity test. I'm not going to do that because, wow, 48 to 72 hours, guys, that's like 3 days. No, I'm not going to do that. And then now we are on the directions. Read in full before use. Important, once the dye cream and activating solution has been mixed, they should be used immediately, right? Number 1, cleanse your eyebrow with a non-oily cleanser to remove makeup and natural oils. Dry thoroughly, right? Prepare one eye at a time. What am I saying? Prepare one eye at a time. Carefully spread a barrier of cream like petroleum jelly over the skin and around the eyelids, but avoid getting on the hairs to be tinted. Number 3, pierce cream color dye tube nozzle open with sharp end of the cap. Okay, so that's where you open this color cream. And then number 4, you open the activating cream away from the face. Add 5 drops of activating solution. So you add 2 centimeters of this and 5 drops of this, right, to the dish. And so here's the dish. This is the dish that they're talking about. You add it to the dish and using the applicator mix. So I think this is the applicator, the spoon that I was showing you guys. Mix together well to form a creamy consistency that does not drip. Please note the color of the cream may change, but this will not affect the performance of the eyebrow. Close the eye first and apply the cream mixture to the eyebrows using the mascara wand, which is this, okay? If the cream touches the skin, wipe off immediately with a damp towel or wool. Leave the cream of the eyebrow for 5 to 10 minutes, keeping your eye closed thoroughly. Keeping your eye closed throughout. The average application is 10 minutes, but it can be increased or decreased depending on the desired intensity of the color and of the hair type.
Okay guys, so we all heard that. So we're going to start. We're going to clean our eyebrows with petroleum jelly, which I have mine over here. I have Vaseline, right? So I'm going to use a brush because I don't have cotton wool, but not cotton wool, this thing, what do you call it, earbud. I don't have earbud, so I was gonna use an earbud. So I'm going to use so I'm just scooping a little bit, just like this. Yes, we have this, and I'm going to use my famous mirror. So guys, I already have foundation on, so after this I'm going to finish up my makeup. I thought of this while I already have foundation on, so that is why you don't have to apply your foundation, right? I did it because I thought of this late. I thought I was gonna film this tomorrow, but tomorrow I just want to rest, you know, and edit this video because I'm posting this on Tuesday, right? So okay, next you open this, the cream, the color cream. You open and then you pop it with the lid, just like that. Oh, side about 2 centimeters, guys. I don't even know how to measure 2 centimeters, but I think this should be enough. I don't know. Then we're going to add 5 drops of this, 5 drops of the activator, and they say you should open it away from the eye. Oh my gosh. So this is how it is when you open. Oh, I added 2 drops already, guys. 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then now we're going to start, right? So I'm going to start. Hey guys, there's no tingling whatsoever. Like, I feel nothing. So in the inner eye, I'm gonna apply a little bit. That's why I started with the outer eye. So in here, you know, when you do your eyebrows, you don't like fill in too much the side, right? So that's what I'm gonna do also. I'm just gonna add like a little bit, like what's left over in here. And I'm gonna use that to brush out my hair. Do you see? I just hope this thing does not disappoint me. I really hope it doesn't disappoint me. Oh, and then the timer, right? So we're going to start with this eye. I've already applied. Let me just make sure that every hair has the dye. Guys, I cannot wait. So I'm gonna set a timer right here. They say 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to set let's say 7 minutes, because I don't want it to be black, because this is like a black color. So I'm setting a timer of 7 minutes. My phone is so dirty. Okay, 7 minutes. Oh, it's starting to do the thing now. I feel like, guys, I just hope it doesn't come out bad. Woo! Okay, let me go. So guys, how can I describe this feeling? It's like you know when you put ice on your skin, and then like it feels like my eyebrows are icing up. I don't know, and icing up, I don't know. So I have my cotton pad right here, and then I'm going to wet it, because it says here you should wet it and then you wipe going upwards. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I see the color. Do you see? I see the color is already starting to show, guys. Okay, we are left with 3 minutes. Oh, maybe I should just remove it right now. I'm not gonna wait for the 7 minutes, because I feel like it's going to be too dark. Maybe I should, because what if I remove it and it's not even complete? Like, oh no. So I'm gonna use upward motion. Oh my god! Hi, 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 hi. What a confidence booster. Hi, 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 hi. Guys! Okay, but this is how it looks. So this is the before and after. Oh my god. OMG. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's do the other eye and then I'll finish my face and then I'll come back for the big reveal. Okay guys, so my camera is already flashing, so but here is the final look. My eyebrows are tinted. I think they are more black. I think I should have waited for like 5 minutes instead of 7 minutes. Do you see? So if you want them to be lighter, you wait for like few minutes, but for me this is the final look. Okay, but for me this is the final look. This is 7 minutes. I didn't go all the way to 10 minutes. Okay, so now coming to the price of this box. Yeah, the Dybrow permanent tint thingy. I got it at Dischem for, where's the slip? Oh, for 175 rand. I'm looking at the slip right here. So the kit was 175 rand, 174.95 cents, right? So it was 175 rand at Dischem. Would I recommend? Yes, I would. I think it's cheaper compared to when you go to like a professional to go do your thingies, but you can also do that. I don't have the money to go do that. I don't even know how much it is, but yeah, I highly recommend these. But I do recommend that you buy a brown color. Mine is in the color black. As you can see, it is in the color black, so I recommend that you, okay, let's come back. So I do recommend that you buy a color brown because it will look more natural and beautiful. Well, it is beautiful even now, but I think a brown would do better because we all know that you can't do black brows, right? Like, I won't even have to struggle with the brows for the upcoming 6 weeks. As it says this thing lasts up to 6 weeks, guys. Do you see? It should last me up to 6 weeks. Do you see this? Like, there's literally nothing coming off. Do you see? Literally nothing. So yeah, I highly recommend. 6 weeks it is, but after 6 weeks I'll come back and show you guys how it all went. So guys, so we've come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye. Subscribe if you haven't. We're on a road to 100. Yes, we're on the road to 100,000. We're on the road to 1K subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye. Also, let me know what you guys want me to try. I like trying new things. I like, you know, trying things that people wouldn't want to try first. If you want to do something and you're scared, you don't know how it's gonna look or whatever, please just tell me and I'll try it out for you.